encountered this yet, but here's what you do. If you've got a man perving on you in the salon, you know what I'm talking about? Like, okay, those men that come in with the boxer shorts on or jogging shorts that are like super tight or like real high up and their junk's falling out or about to fall out. Here's what you do. You don't make a big stink over it, a big deal, but this is not your fault. Just remember now, handle this and do it smoothly. What I do, I keep a stack of towels, just these little towels, a few towels sitting within reach. See, there's my PEDI cart right there. I have them on my PEDI cart for in case ladies come in with little mini skirts and things like that and they don't realize it till they sit down and they go to put their foot up, that like I can see up their skirt and it's not really cool. So anyway, you could tell, like if they're raised right, they're all embarrassed, but if they're not and they're hoochie, then they're just letting it all hang out and nobody wants to see that. So here's what you do. Get these towels, just have a stack, and you just get one of the towels, you know, when they sit down and you see the scene's about to unfold the way I just described, you just reach over and you get one of these towels and you go like this and you open it up and you say, we're gonna put this over your lap today, and that way, we won't have anything inappropriate happening where I'll have to stop the service. And you can say it with a smile and kind of laugh like that, and then you put it over their lap.